Hello everybody, it's Penny from Finny Boutique. I hope you're having a fabulous day. It's a warm one again out there, not comfortable at all. I'm staying indoors, I truly am. I do a little bit of stuff. I've been trying to clean carpets and stuff, and it's, even with the air conditioning on, it is hot. Okay, so today we're gonna do some jewelry. There might be one or two pieces you haven't seen. The rest you may have seen, and we're going to do some price reducing, that kind of thing. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. Let's see. My name is Penny. I'm from Finny Boutique. It's vintage and costume jewelry and some sterling. I have a little saying from Elizabeth Taylor. It says, jewelry has the power to be the one little thing that makes you feel unique. And that's true. It doesn't matter if it's costume, whatever it is, it does makes you feel, I don't know, good. So here's the instructions to order something. Oh, and first of all, too, everything's done through PayPal, so both parties feel secure. All right, so here's the instructions. Video number, time stamp, description of the item, bag number, and the price. Today, I think we're doing video number 146. And thank you everyone for your support, comments, thumbs up, and shares. It helps my channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. So to order, I need, I don't know if I said this, 1, 4, and 5 I definitely need. But of course, you can include number 2 and 3 if you would like to. All right, let's get started. Why don't we get started with this small lot. This is some seed beads. Oops, sorry about that. Some glass beads. I'm just trying to get it untangled. Looks like it's knotted here. Come on now. Here, let me undo it and see if that makes a difference. Got a little tassel on the end. It's cute. Oh, okay. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. All right. Okay. So, here we have some glass beads, seed beads. I wonder if, let me check these. These might be pearls. They kind of feel like it. But I don't want to say for sure. But we do have seed beads and some glass beads and a lobster claw clasp. And it is triple stranded. Yes. And then it comes down and it has a little drop with some more glass beads. Okay. Here's the beads. Look kind of cool. Let me just move that. Okay, let's give you a length. So this can be part of the first lot. Okay. And it's got purples and reds and yellows. 10-inch drop till it gets to the tassel, and the tassel is 6 inches, and we have an extension of 3 inches. So I'll put it on the shortest. It's a good length though, so oh, here we go again with this thing. All right, let me fix this up. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to put this one on a cord. It is a fossil, and it's one of those cords that, oops, and it's tangled up, that you can pull on it to make it longer or shorter. Hang on a brown cord. Isn't that cool? Look at the fossil in there. I wonder why I get a reflection up here and not downstairs. Isn't that weird? But yeah, there's the fossil in there. It's on a cord, and it's on one of those that you can pull. The cord's in good condition. Oops. Okay, and I'll give you what the length is on this one right now. You have lots of room to play with it. So it's sitting about 16 inches, and you still have this much cord. Okay, and it's wire wrapped at the back. Let's put that on here. Look. It's just something different, right? Okay. All right. So there's that. And then we have these little lever back earrings with resin, and it looks like there's real flowers in there. Let's bring you guys in closer. That's what it looks like to me. I could be wrong, but it looks like real flowers. Let's see. But then it's the little tree. Okay, these lever back earrings, so that's those. And then we have some hook, little jasper silver tone earrings, these ones. Okay, oops, sorry. And then this one, and it is brass with a jasper pendant. And let's just double check. This looks like zebra jasper. Oh yeah, this is a stone. This looks like zebra jasper, but it is a brass, or maybe gunmetal black tone. It's an older chain though. Lobster claw clasp is somewhere on it, but the pendant's really cool. Okay, let me show you that on the neck. That's gonna be one little lot. That's gonna be bag number 1. 16 plus 2-inch extender. And I'll show you what that looks like on the neck. Of course, you can put a different chain on there. Okay, so there's that one. And we're gonna make this a little lot. This is gonna be bag number 1. So you got this necklace, and you have the fossil, and you have the seaweed one with the tassel, and then, oops, where's all the earrings? I just dropped them. That's okay. I have, and then these earrings, 2 pairs of earrings. Okay, bag number 1, and we are going to do. Where's my pen? I just had it. All right. Okay, we'll do that set for. We'll do it for $8. Actually, we'll do it for 7. Okay, there. Bag number 1. Okay. Bag number 2. So I had this set, and then what I did was I added, because we've seen both these before, so I added these 2 together. So we have gold tone, oops, fold over clasp. This is cute. It's got stars on it. It's not heavy, and it's let's see. So 7 inches. I'll bring you guys out. Okay, so that's how it would sit. So that, And then a pair of gold tone clip-on earrings. These are really pretty. This is the back. And they have that, almost like that ribbon, satin ribbon. They kind of remind me of a Vendome necklace I had. Oh, what's in there? Let's see. Am I seeing something? Or I do see something in here. It's patent pending. It reminds me though of, that's in there, patent pending, right at the bottom. And yes, my hands were dirty. I was cleaning more bags. So got these, really nice finish. So that, and then I put this green crystal stretch bracelet and pave crystals, and then it has a little charm on here, which I think, I don't know what that means, but this is really pretty. Faceted, lots of shimmer on it. And it's sitting at 2.5. Okay, so that's what it's sitting like on me. Lots of room here. It's not tight. And then this one too. Oh yeah, I like this one. Gold tone with these faceted glass beads, and these are glass. Yes, they are glass. Fold over clasp. Very delicate and pretty. Spring ring clasp. And that one is 7 inches long. So that's gonna be bag number 2. And we will do, let's put this back in. So you have this bracelet, the stretch bracelet, this one, and the earrings. Bag number 2. And we will do that one for, let's see. Let's do it for $11, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Okay, bag number 2. Okay, bag number 3. This is sterling silver, all sterling silver. It is made by Bon Boyd, Canadian maker. This is a really lovely necklace. It is a vintage necklace. I've tested this several times. A hook closure. And it is marked on the back. Did I have it the right way up the first time? I probably did, right? Nope. Okay. So, I did. What the heck? Bon Boyd sterling. Okay, here's the back. Oops. Let me see. Now it's going to twist on me. But this is the back. And I think it's marked again. Is it marked down here again? No. Just on the one end, I think. So, really pretty. It almost looks like, I was saying leaves, but it almost looks like wings to me now. When I look at them, I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. But it has a hook closure. It's all sterling. Made by a company here in Canada. Vintage necklace. Stamped. And let's see. Let me get a total length. I'll give you a total length. It's easier to do it that way. And then I'll show you on the neck. So it's about, oops, 16 inches. That's the longest. All right, let me put it on the neck and show you guys. It's so pretty. Just very, what's the word? Like very feminine, like very, I don't know. It's just a really pretty necklace. I really like it. And it does remind me, I don't think it's leaves, I think it's, well, to me, it looks like wings. I'd like to hear what you guys think, though. So here you go. That's what it looks like on, okay. All sterling, hook closure. And I have it on the longest at 16 inches. Okay, and that is going to be bag number 3. And we had it at, looks like we had it at 25. And we'll do 23. Oops, 23 for it. Bond Boyd. Vintage necklace, sterling silver. It's so pretty. All right, let me put that one away so it's out of the way. All right, okay. Oh, I have a Coro bracelet here, gold tone, and it is a lever clasp, or fold over clasp, sorry. Okay, and it is signed somewhere. Right there, and actually I think it's the Pegasus, if I'm seeing that right. Yes, it is a Coro Pegasus. Coro Pegasus is really nice. Coro's nice. That's the back, and here's the front. Little puffies. It looks almost like it's quilted. And this one is 7 inches. And that's what it looks like on. Pull you guys out. Okay. So that's going to be bag number 4. Coro Pegasus. And we will do this one for, we'll do it for $7. Okay. Bag number 4. I think I did that right. Okay, let me put that away. Okay, right. Where's that? Uh-oh, did I make a boo-boo? No, I didn't. Okay, there we go. Okay, bag number 5. Okay, let's do this one. Give a little set here. Bag number 5. Just see. Okay, it's a bracelet, earrings, and necklace set. Let me set that on there. Okay, so here, I think these are a match, I think. If not, they're really close. Oh, I just noticed. Or am I? Wait. I did just notice something, I think. There's some missing on these. I didn't notice this before. Let me check the bag. Okay. Let me show you guys. These are clip-ons, so I just noticed in here and here on this one. Okay. But I think these are articulated. So yeah, one right there and there. I'm sorry about that, guys. I just noticed. And one there, and there. Kind of, oh, let me see. And a tiny one in there. So we have the clip-on earrings that are missing some, and they are articulated, okay? You know, they can move. And then we have the bracelet, fold over clasp, gold tone, with some white, it's white enamel, and these little beads. This is the back. Okay, and this one is I think it's 7 inches as well. Yes, it's 7 inches. All right, so like that. And then we have a little gold tone, excuse me, faux pearl necklace. Is this one? Yes, it's got a spring ring clasp. It's not heavy. Let me move that aside. And it's, let's see. Okay, it is, oops. It's a 11-inch drop, so 22 inches. I'm going to show you on the neck. Oh, I didn't notice that before. Anyway, I put this, and we do have those. We'll put it together. And I had that at 13, not realizing that there was missing a few stones on here. So we will put this one down to, and that's, which one is that? This is 5, right? Yes, 5. So let's do that for, let's do it for $8, okay? Bag number 5, $8. Bracelet, earring, the necklace. Just remember the earrings do have a few stones missing. Okay, this one you wouldn't have seen. I didn't know if I should bring it to here because this one is going to be an expensive one. And I like to try. I always go lower. Whenever I do my research, I always go lower than what eBay, Etsy, whoever, you know, is offering for. So let me tell you about this one. Okay, so this one is a vintage West Germany brass filigree, brown art glass, faux pearl rhinestones in the 1950s. And actually, it is called striated glass, which is a pattern of parallel lines or grooves etched into its surface, elements of striped or layered glass. So you can see that. And then the deep emerald green and almost a peridot color, and the faux pearls. And this is 12-inch drop to here, to the heart, okay? So 12-inch, and here's the beads, the chain. Oops, and it is a spring ring clasp. Here is your signature. Where is it now? It's right in, it says made in West Germany. Let's see if I can get it so you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys, Western, it says made in Western Germany, sorry. Made in Western Germany. So, made in Western Germany. All right. Now, these ones, I'll show you on the neck too. It's very pretty. And here's the back, all filigree. That's gorgeous. Close up of these beads. And here is the front. Look at all that work on there. Anyways, so on, let's see. Oh yes, this can be created, this striated glass can be created by layering colors of types of glass during the manufacturing process, or by manipulating the glass while it's molten to create patterns, okay? So these, let me just see now. Okay, on eBay, it's, for Canadian, it's $334, and 245 US. Ruby Lane, it is 225 US. Etsy, it is 84 US, 125 US. That there's two of them there. So the cheapest I found was Etsy, and it was 84 US. Okay, let me put this. It's in bag number 6, right? I think. Yes. Okay. Western Germany. So I am going to ask 50 Canadian. I hope that's okay. Please take a screenshot of it and check, do some research, give you some time to look at that. Okay, I'm going to show you on the neck. I was shocked, but it's beautiful. I love this. I love the back. I love filigree. I think it's so pretty. Okay, let me show you what it looks like on the neck. Okay, now it's longer. I'll just pull it up a bit so you guys get an idea, so you can see. Isn't it pretty? But you guys have a look and see what you think. And look on eBay, Etsy, that kind of thing. All right. Okay, so that's bag number 6. All right, let's put that away. What do we got? Oh, okay, we got some, bag number 7. Oops. No, 8, sorry, right? Let me just double check that. Doesn't too much. What did I do here? Seriously, it doesn't take me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah, 7. Okay. We have some gold-filled earrings here, and let me just bring you in. Where is it? Oh, right here, in here. Hopefully we can get in there. And it says 14, I'm pretty sure that's what it says. 14 karat gold filled. Let me see if I can see it better on the other one. No. Where's my little scooper? Yeah, it's 14 karat GF. So we have these little ones. I think they are Jasper. They look like Jasper to me. They are 14 karat gold filled. Hub closure. Ouch. Just poked myself. Oh, wow. There you go. They're higher than a Jasper. That's, wow. They kind of look like, I'm going to show you guys, if you guys can see this in just one. These are cool. I just noticed this too. Okay, there we go, maybe. Oh, maybe they're both. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something. Hopefully it comes through on the camera. I just noticed this. So right in this area, it's almost like a quartz. It looks clear or white, and that's where it's testing as jadeite. And then here's the tourmaline, which looks like jasper. So it looks like it might be a mixture of both. That's really cool. I just noticed it. Let's sit back over. Check the other one. See if we learn something together. Okay. This is the other one. Very interesting. There. Anyway, these are really cool. They are stone for sure. Okay, and they're gold filled. And we're going to do, say, 18 for those, okay? Bag number 7. Okay. Let me just put that over there. Bag number 7. Okay, we have some Abalone sterling silver. Bag number 8. Bangles. Let's get this out. I've scratched them before, but we will do it again. I can tell just by doing the scratch pretty much now. That's a nice scratch. Silver is softer and it scratches really nice. Gives you a nice scratch. Oops, don't put that much on there. So you can see the red. Let's do a bit at a time. There. And the red, the deeper red right there, okay? So they are sterling silver. I won't test the charms. I know I've tested them before, but this one has, excuse me, like a sand dollar on it. And it's from 2016, and here's your Abalone little tags, okay? And then this one has, oh yeah, this one has a little key with a little tiny blue rhinestone. And here's your Abalone tags on this one. Okay, so those are those slider bracelets. And they're sitting at, and this one, as you can see, is a little bit bent. Just bend it to your shape. It does happen with sterling. Okay, so that one's about 2.5 sitting there, and this one is just over 2.5. So that's gonna be bag number 8, and we will do these two Abalone for about $8. Okay, 8 for $8. Sterling silver. Okay, one and 2 more. Okay, let's do this. Abalone. I don't know who likes abalone, but I love abalone. And this, got a light little pendant piece here. And silver tone chain. I did test it. I tested it before I came back on. A lobster clasp. It does indicate that it's sterling, but it's not scratching. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Oh, plated. Okay. Sterling silver plated. Okay, got it. Plating, yeah, China. Okay. All right, lobster claw clasp. See, still learning. And this is a 16-inch drop. A really nice little piece of abalone. Abalone is so pretty. Put that one on there. This is another little lot. And then we have, this is on a wire, lobster claw clasp. Let me give you the length. This is more of a raw piece of abalone. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, 16 inches plus a 2-inch extender. So here's the raw piece, and then here's the inside of it. So that's what it looks like on the outside. Okay, and then some, and this is some more abalone. Huh. Shell. Wow. All right. I'll put it that way. All right. There's that one. And then we have this one. I think it's called River Run. River Bend. Sorry. It is called River Bend. Lobster claw clasp are made by a company called River Bend with some abalone inlay. All right. And lobster claw clasp. Let's see. Silver tone sheen, 16 inches plus 2 inches. Let me just move these aside. And guys, if you have abalone, hang on to it because you can't harvest it anymore. It is now illegal. Okay, there's that. And then we have a pair of earrings. Which are hook closure. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Let me just check on here. I think I did test these before. No, let me check here. No. But nice piece of, nice little, color for abalone. Really pretty. All right, so that's going to be bag, what did I just say? Bag number 9, right? I think. Yes, bag number 9. So we have the 3 necklaces and the earrings. And we will do those for, how about, let me put the earrings back. How about we do it for, where's my pen? $9, okay? Number 9 for $9. All right, let's put that away. Let's stick it over here. All right. I have a pair, bag number 10. I'll probably be coming up to do another one. Bag number 10 is Laurel Burch earrings, cloisonne. They are from her carp collection, and they are signed on the back. Okay, carp, Laurel Burch. They are from the 1980s, 14 karat gold filled hooks. These are nice, with gold beads and coils right here, spacer beads. And this is going to be bag number 10. And we will do these ones for, and they're both signed, for 18. I found them on eBay for 54. Okay, so bag number 10 for 18. All right, guys. Okay, thank you so much. I will probably be back later. I'm gonna go watch my dogs. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at pennyfullard@yahoo.ca. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and we'll talk soon, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.